Right, let's get one thing straight. You walk into a room and people start backing away. It's not your charm, you donut, it's your shoes. That disgusting foul stench is an embarrassment. It's a disgrace. You've let a simple problem get completely out of control. Now your footwear smells like a bin lorry that's been left in the sun for a week. It's pathetic. But don't you worry, because I'm here to drag you out of this smelly mess. We are going to tackle this problem head on, with no excuses and no shortcuts. Pay attention. So why do your shoes stink? It's not rocket science, you muppet. Your feet have thousands of sweat glands. They sweat. A lot. But sweat itself doesn't smell. The real culprit is the bacteria living a 5-star holiday on your feet. These little monsters feast on your sweat and on your dead skin cells. Then they release a foul, stinking gas. It's their waste. Your shoes have become a bacteria-infested swamp. A breeding ground for filth. It's disgusting. The problem gets worse when you suffocate your feet in tight, non-breathable shoes all day. Warm, damp, dark. Paradise for bacteria. Then you kick off your shoes and wonder why the cat fainted. Before we even think about deodorizing, you need to do the prep work. This is non-negotiable. Don't be a lazy git and skip this step. First, find a well-ventilated area. Go outside, open a window. Do not attempt this in a small, enclosed space unless you want to knock yourself out with the stench. Get your disgusting shoes and place them on old newspaper. We're doing an intervention. Now, look inside the shoe. See those insoles? They are ground zero. They're soaked with sweat and crawling with bacteria. You must remove them. Gently pull them out. Careful if they're glued. If you rip them, you'll buy new ones. Once they're out, give them a good hard look, stained and compressed, the heart of the problem. We'll deal with them separately. Next, a basic clean. Don't you dare put our natural fixes into a shoe caked with mud. Grab a stiff brush and knock off all the loose dirt and grime. Then take a damp cloth with a tiny bit of mild soap and wipe the interior. Don't soak it, you plank. Just a quick wipe. This isn't a deep clean, it's basic sanitation. Finally, let the shoes and insoles breathe. Don't toss them in a dark corner. Good airflow for at least an hour. This drying step is crucial. We're taking away their precious moisture. Do not rush this. Let them dry. This is the first volley in our attack. Get it right, or don't bother starting. All right, you've prepped the battlefield. Now it's time to assemble your arsenal. Quick. We're not using fancy, overpriced sprays that just cover up the smell. We're using simple, powerful, natural ingredients. Cheap, effective, probably in your kitchen. First, baking soda. Not just for cakes. It neutralizes acids and soaks up stink like a sponge. Your infantry. Next, white vinegar. Sharp at first, then gone, taking the foul odor with it. It's an acid. It kills bacteria on contact. Mix equal parts with water in a spray bottle. Do not pour it straight. Precision is key. Then, tea bags. Dry, unused black tea bags go inside. Tannins kill bacteria and absorb moisture, little landmines against the stink. Pleasant, earthy scent as a bonus. Finally, tea tree oil, a potent antiseptic and antifungal. A few drops freshen and keep fighting bacteria. Peppermint or eucalyptus also work, but tea tree is the real killer. This is your victory scent. Let's get to work. The talking is over. It's time for action. We'll start with the baking soda blitz. Take your completely dry shoes, sprinkle a generous tablespoon directly inside each one. Don't be shy. Get it in from the heel to the toe. Tilt and shake so the powder coats the entire inner surface. Now leave them alone, overnight. For at least 8 hours it pulls out the stench. Next morning clap them together outside to remove the powder. Use a vacuum hose if you have to. Get it all. For insoles do the same, or wash by hand with warm, soapy water. Rinse thoroughly, then air dry completely. Do not put damp insoles back. That's a cardinal sin. It's like inviting the bacteria back for a welcome home party. Don't be an idiot. Now for the vinegar assault. Mix 50-50 water and vinegar. Lightly mist the inside. Sanitizing, not pickling. A few spritzes cover it. The vinegar kills residual bacteria on contact. Let them air dry completely. The vinegar smell fades as they dry. Have a little patience. For horrific smells, call in the freezer. Bag the shoes, squeeze out air, and freeze for 24 hours. The extreme cold kills a significant portion of odor-causing bacteria. Take them out, thaw, dry. Now your shoes are clean and sanitized. It works. You've won the battle, but the war is not over. Don't get complacent. Keeping freshness is an ongoing mission. First rule, rotate your shoes. Do not wear the same pair 2 days in a row. Give them at least 24 hours to air out and dry completely. Second, your feet. Wash daily with soap. Dry properly, especially between the toes. Wear clean socks every day. Choose breathable socks. Cotton, wool. Synthetic fabrics trap moisture and breed bacteria. Use your arsenal. After a long day, pop in dry tea bags or a cedar block. Cedar absorbs moisture and smells great. Once a week, sprinkle baking soda overnight. It takes 10 seconds. This is prevention, not just cure. Maintain the standard. Don't let your shoes return to that disgraceful state. Have some pride. Simple, no-nonsense guide, no more excuses. Raise your standards. Don't just clean your shoes, keep them clean.